Did you know that the Amish can heat a greenhouse without using gas, electricity or modern technology? Their techniques are so efficient and environmentally friendly that they are being adopted worldwide. Stay tuned as we uncover the fascinating secrets of Amish greenhouse heating and learn how these off-grid solutions can help you grow plants year-round without hefty heating bills. Amish communities are known for their self-sufficiency, relying on simple, resourceful methods to live off the grid. To heat greenhouses, they combine traditional methods with clever techniques to capture natural heat. Today, we're taking a look at these practices, so you can learn how they manage to keep plants thriving even in winter. If you are interested in eco-friendly and off-grid gardening tips, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. One of the key ways the Amish heat their greenhouses is through the use of passive solar heating systems. Passive solar heating is all about harnessing the sun's energy without relying on external power. Here's how it works. South-facing greenhouses. Amish greenhouses are usually built on the south side. This orientation maximizes the amount of sunlight during the day, even in winter. A greenhouse absorbs this sunlight and stores the heat inside. Thermal mass materials. The Amish also use materials that absorb and retain heat, such as rocks, bricks, or large water barrels. These materials absorb the sun's heat during the day and slowly release it throughout the night, keeping the temperature constant. Another wonderful practice of Amish farmers is compost heating. It is as simple as it sounds but surprisingly effective. Compost piles inside greenhouses. When organic matter such as straw, leaves, or manure decomposes, it produces heat. Amish farmers keep compost piles in or near the greenhouse. As compost breaks down, it releases heat that warms the air inside. Compost beds. Some Amish greenhouses have compost beds under the planting areas, which allow heat to build up and keep soil temperatures stable. This method of composting provides both heat and essential nutrients for plants. This technique doesn't just heat the greenhouse. It also enriches the soil, creating a self-sustaining cycle that helps plants grow faster and stronger. To make the most of these practices, the Amish use effective insulation techniques to retain heat. Let's break some of them down. Cold frame inside the greenhouse. Cold frames are small, insulated boxes with glass or clear plastic tops. They create a warm microenvironment inside the greenhouse, especially for more delicate plants. Amish growers place these frames around plants that need extra warmth on cold nights. Insulation of greenhouse structure. The Amish often use straw bales, wood planks, or natural materials as insulation along greenhouse walls. These natural materials trap heat, reduce temperature fluctuations and conserve heat generated during the day. Let us know in the comments below if you find these off-grid solutions interesting. Would you like to try heating compost in your garden? The Amish also use unique planting techniques that help retain heat and create a more favorable environment for their crops. Row covering and mulching. By covering the rows with straw or cloth, the Amish add a layer of warmth that protects the crops from frost. A blanket surrounds the plant for moisture and heat, allowing it to grow even in cold weather. Raised bed. Raised beds with rich, composted soil also help retain heat, especially when layered with straw mulch. This setup allows the heat from the compost to rise and directly benefit the plants. While maintaining warmth is important, the Amish know it is just as important to prevent overheating or excessive humidity. Their greenhouses are designed with natural ventilation methods that allow them to control the temperature without electricity. Vent windows. Most Amish greenhouses have small, manual vent windows that can be opened or closed as needed. These windows allow warm, humid air to escape, preventing the greenhouse from becoming too hot or humid, which can damage plants. Natural airflow design. By strategically placing windows and doors, Amish farmers create a natural flow of air that prevents mold growth and controls humidity. As you can see, Amish greenhouse heating techniques are simple, effective and durable. They use passive solar heating, compost, insulation and natural airflow to keep their greenhouse warm without relying on gas or electricity. These methods not only save money but also protect the environment. If you're inspired to try any of these methods or adapt them to your garden, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more off-grid and sustainable gardening tips. Let us know in the comments, which method would you like to try in your greenhouse?